Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn what XML sitemaps are, their best practices, and why they are helpful. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all of the pages on your website and their corresponding information, such as the page URL, last modified date, and frequency of change. Search engines use XML sitemaps to crawl and index your website more effectively. There are the top best practices for creating XML sitemaps. Use the correct format. XML sitemaps must be in the XML format. You can use various tools to create XML sitemaps, such as xmlsitemaps.com or Screaming Frog SEO Spire. Include all of your pages. Your XML sitemap should include all your website's pages that you want to be indexed. Please note, you should not add pages to your XML sitemap that you blocked in your robots.txt file. Make your XML sitemap dynamic. As you add new pages to your website, your XML sitemap should reflect the changes. So making your XML sitemaps dynamic will guarantee that without forgetting newly added pages by mistake, if they were static XML sitemaps. In that case, you have to update your XML sitemaps regularly and manually. Split your XML sitemaps. If you have many landing pages, such as a big e-commerce website or multi-language websites, create an XML sitemap for each section on your website. For example, create an XML sitemap for each language and each country. Create an index XML sitemap. Index sitemap is an XML sitemap for your XML sitemaps. It will be helpful when you have multiple XML sitemaps for your website pages, so it will be good practice if you have an index XML sitemap with links to all your other XML sitemaps. Add your XML sitemaps link to the robots.txt file. As the robots.txt file is the first thing search engines will crawl when accessing your website, adding the XML sitemaps links will guide the search engines to crawl them and crawl your website pages accordingly. Submit your XML sitemap to search engines. Once you have created your XML sitemap, you can submit it to search engines so that they can crawl and index your website more effectively. Here are some of the benefits of using XML sitemaps. Improve crawlability. XML sitemaps help search engines crawl and index your website more effectively. This can lead to your website ranking higher in search engine results pages. Reduce crawling errors. XML sitemaps can help to reduce crawling errors. This is because they provide search engines with a clear map of your website, which can help them avoid crawling pages that are not important or likely to cause errors. Increase visibility. XML sitemaps can help increase your website's visibility in search results. This is because they make it easier for search engines to find and index your pages. If you are looking to improve the SEO of your website, then using an XML sitemap is a great place to start. Following the previous best practices, you can create an XML sitemap to help your website rank higher in search engines and improve its visibility. To learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and view more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.